See beta, next we have transactions, journal entries with the transaction. We can deposit the money, we can withdraw the money, we can withdraw the money for the special for the personal use, we can make the payment to a creditor by the bank. So these are the various transactions, banking transactions. So accordingly, apply the rule of real account, nominal account and personal account, and then pass these journal entries. These are total 18 journal entries that you have to write down on your notebook. So here the practice illustration is given that you have to do. Goods given as charity or goods donated. Sometimes the amount we purchase, total amount of goods is 4,000. So this is the example is given. You can take this. Goods costing 500 given as charity. Instead of giving cash, we given charity as a kind of goods. So at that time, when the goods are distributed as a charity or withdrawn as a purpose for personal use, at that time we will credited the purchase account, and for the which purpose we are taking it, that is drawing account and the charity account. So in this way, charity or donation account debited to purchases account, otherwise purchases account will be debited. But here we are using the goods as a charity or goods donated, so that is why it is credited. Good distributed as a sample, then we'll consider it as a advertisement. When it is lost by theft or fire, the insurance company. So this is the way that you have to pass journal entries. Insurance company to loss by fire or theft. When the full amount is claim is received, then you can pass bank account to insurance company. When a part of claim is received, suppose there is 1 lakh of goods were destroyed of 1 lakh, and you will receive 80,000 from the insurance company, and 20,000 will be considered as loss to insurance company 1 lakh. So these are the practice illustration of these entries: goods given as charity and insurance companies. Then purchase of sale of fixed asset. When we sell and purchase, as I told you earlier, you have to put the name of that asset, whatever the asset it is, and at the time of sale that asset will be credited, and at the time of purchase that asset will be debited. It's a real account, simple real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So in this way you have to pass journal entries. When we install any machinery or construct any building, so at that time we have to bear some expenses, and that expenses will be considered into that particular asset account. Like see, this is the journal entry: 2,500 paid for installation of machinery. Installation of machinery is an expense when we purchase the machinery and we ask for the installation at that time. So that expenses which are related to fixed asset will be added in the fixed asset. No separate account will be open. Machinery account debited to cash account. Sundry expenses, you can say other expenses, any kind of expenses you are paying, nominal account debited all expenses and losses. Outstanding expenses account, it may be outstanding salary, it may be outstanding rent, outstanding wages, anything can be outstanding. Outstanding term, as I told you earlier many times, the expenses which are not paid in the current accounting period. So wages account debit to outstanding wages account. If the rent account is outstanding, then rent account will be debited to outstanding rent account. In the same manner, prepaid unexpired expenses will be the reverse of it. Prepaid expenses account will be debited here to the concerned expense account. Suppose prepaid rent account debit to rent account. So in this way you have to pass these adjustment entries. Accrued income, which is income is earned but it is not received. So accrued income, it may be a commission, it may be any interest. So accrued income account debit to income account, interest received in advance, rent account debit to rent received in advance. depreciation is depreciating the value of asset. At that time you have to just take the value of depreciating asset. So depreciation account debit to fixed asset account, and this is a revision of this